Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this pressure washer, and I'm going to show you what this product brings and all the features on this product. So when you first open it up, you have your instructions, your screws, and some washers here. You have your handles right here. More parts. You have your spray foam right here. Here's the wand with the different nozzles. You have your 0, your 40, your 25, and your 15-degree nozzle. And here's where you attach it. Here's the handle. Here's the actual pressure washer right here. It has an extra long cord. Here's your 33-foot hose. It's made out of a nice material. It's not your basic rubber material. This has like a special coating on top of it, so it's not gonna puncture or break. And then here's another handle piece. So let me show you how to put it together now. Okay, so first I'm gonna attach the holder for the handle. So you just slide that in. Wait till it clicks. And this side is for the power cord. Wait till it clicks. Next, you're gonna screw in this piece on the back here. Next, you're gonna attach this piece to your handle. Make sure the curved side is facing here on the curve. Next, you're gonna attach these two screws right inside this holes here to complete the thing. And this is how the front looks. It's a mini size pressure washer, yet this packs a punch. It's very powerful. When you're ready to install the handle to the wand, you just insert it in here and then you twist it. And now it's locked in place. And this moves around easily. If you want to insert the nozzle, pull it out, and then you pull back the fitting, and now it's nice in place. Take it off, slide it out, and pull it, and then you put it back onto the holder. Once you're finished with it, you slide it out. This goes like this, and this holds right here. So this piece right here, you take off this cover and screw it. This side goes here. And you screw this on top. So you can see this is a 33-foot long hose. So you could leave this in one area and spread it out for a long way before you need to move your pressure washer. When you're ready to use the foam cannon, you just insert it and twist it. And now you're ready to spray foam your car or spray foam your concrete floors or bricks to wash them. And this has a convenient area right there. This is your on and off button. Very long extension cord. This is where you hook up your water hose right here. And then you attach your water hose to this inlet right here. Which is nice and tight. And then you plug this into your outlet.